In this video, I'm going to show you how to get first deposit bonus on 1xBet. So it will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to buy email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video, where you will come first and click on your menu. After you have been registered to your account, you will come and click here on personal profile. By clicking now, you will just click on enter details, there to reassure that you have put all your information completed from your first name right up till the TIN. Everything said, you will just click on save. Then you will also see the change as from here normally. If you're not having cash in your 1xBet account now, you can still play the games like 1x games, casino, all categories, promo, and all the rest. By clicking on promo here, you will see different types of games which are for free. By clicking on 1x games, you can see the bonuses where you will play like spin the wheel, the bonuses for games, quest of the day, and all the rest, which will help you to acquire some money so as to bet normally on it. So now, when everything now will be set, you will see that the amount of money will start increasing in your electronic purse. Now, because of that, you will now be able to do your first deposit. You just come and click here on deposit normally, where you will choose a method to deposit your money in the method which will be recommended in the account deposit, be it from the e-wallet, from even the mobile payment, depending on what you want. And note that the amount of money, if you have already in your 1xBet account, plus again the amount of money that you have been playing the free games which have accumulated in your 1xBet account, will also combine. So for this, you will use available methods like cryptocurrency, for example, like Bitcoin, for example, to come and deposit your money by following the rules and regulations which will be applied on it, or even use the e-wallet method, where you can use methods of payment like Binance, Skrill, MoneyGo, and all the rest, what will be effective for you. It is as simple as that.